Hello kids, open your English book, page number 14. Today we will read phonic sound of I. Let's start. LID lid, PIT pit, BIN bin, SIX 6, ZIP zip, TIN tin, PIN pin, HILL hill. Read and speak aloud. ID sound, BID bid, HID hid, KID kid, LID lid, MID mid. IP sound, DIP dip, HIP hip, LIP lip, SIP sip, TIP tip. IN sound, BIN bin, FIN fin, PIN pin, TIN tin, WIN win. ILL sound, BILL bill, FILL fill, HILL hill, PILL pill, WILL will. ICK sound, KICK kick, LICK lick, PICK pick, SICK sick, TICK tick. Done.